To better understand your customers, you need to understand their way of thinking during the publication of a project. To think of yourself as a client, you need to begin as a client. So in this section, we will explore the secret stage that most of your competitors have never known about. We will create our own project. This helps us better understand what the customer goes through. What fields should they fill in? How does Upwork assist them with it? We will also see how Upwork will show proposals from other freelancers to better understand the rankings algorithms. You will literally spy on your competitors and familiarize yourself with the proposals they usually send for similar projects. Let's go to the first lecture. Upwork understands that you might need to use the platform in different roles, as a freelancer, agency, or client. Today, you are searching for a job as a freelancer. Tomorrow, you will need a specialist who takes on a specific part of your project or as a new employee in your agency. To help users, Upwork has created an instrument that allows them to easily switch roles. How can you do so? To create a customer profile, if you have a freelancer's one, you need to click on your avatar icon and go to Settings. Now you will see a Contact Info section. Scroll down a bit and you will see the additional accounts fields. Once you are there, select the New Client Account button. In a new window, type the company name you present and click Create Client Account. Now the client account is ready. You can switch between different roles at any time by clicking on the profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear and it's easier to choose any account if and when it's needed.